Hi everybody, I am back. My name is TJ Wolf and I do Linux and hardware, and today I'm showing ArchMerge, the Openbox environment. This is by Eric. This is still in beta testing and everything. So I'm just gonna link to the stream. So I am currently beta testing this for Eric, and so far it's been running well. Only a minor issue, a couple minor issues, nothing big, but everything is working flawless. So this is the Openbox right now, and currently we have 9 days to wait for this release to go out. So I'm going to show you the Openbox session now. So currently what we have is basically the same thing that was in XFC. We got the dock right here. So what I showed yesterday was the dock. This is the plank dock, and Eric has done a phenomenal job theming the plank dock to his OS. And actually this theme is actually awesome. It has a little bit of transparency white to it, and the icons, his own icon set. This is by his Sardi icons, and you can find all these icons on his GitHub page. I left a link to his YouTube channel down in the show notes, and to his tutorial pages and his other websites down in the show notes. So today is the Openbox session, and you can see that at the upper top we get the Tint2 panel, and we got the update packages. I currently have updates, but I'm not going to worry about that right now in this video. All you have to do is, if you want to do the updates, is click on it and it will load the updates. I'm not going to update them right now because I'm showing the video stream here, but all you have to do is do them as soon as they update, or when you're ready to update them. Normally it's a good idea to do them right away. You got your sound right here, and then you got the variety wallpaper right here. And then you got your time and your clipboard manager and your internet right here. So everything that was in the XFCE right when it loads up is pretty much in Openbox, but Openbox is a little bit different. So usually in Openbox you have to manually do stuff and add stuff in the right click panel, but Eric has done most of that for you and stuff in the ArchMerge release. So, and you can add these icons. I added the icons, so all you have to do is go down to the OB menu generator and click on generate static menu with icons. And then you got your kunky. You can manage your kunkies, which I have one up here from XFCE, which is shown up also in Openbox. So everything is pretty much in here from my last video. Let's see if I'm, so you have the right click menu, terminal, web browser, file manager, text editor, media player, accessories. You got all your accessories that you would find in your XFCE menu. Development. You got Genie, CMake, all your QT stuff, and Sublime text, and all your development stuff that you want to develop and stuff. Education, you got LibreOffice, math, games, you got Steam, which was added from the first video from showing you guys how to install Steam and how easy it is in ArchMerge to install Steam. Or with that being said, any Arch, how to install Steam. But pretty much the same layout in Openbox menu. So let's Eric has a nice Tantu already set up for you. So if you right click your menu, you can go down to preferences. I think it's in preferences. Arch. Let's see where it is. System. Preferences. Right here, preferences. You can here's your Openbox. You can edit whatever you need in the menu, config. I think there's actually a program in here that you can do it. And we'll get to that in right here. You can a GUI minute. Hi Linux Quest. Hi Linux Quest, how's it going? Yeah, it is. I showed the XFCE last night, and now I'm showing the Openbox environment of ArchMerge. I'm currently testing it out for Eric and making sure everything. Thank you, LinuxCast. How are you doing? I have to get on the Telegram group. I'll have to message you on YouTube to find out your Telegram name, because I have to try the Telegram so we can start messaging again. But yeah, this is Openbox that I'm testing right now for because I joined the beta testing for Eric and stuff. So right now I was going through all the stuff in the menu and I was about to go into the Tint 2 GUI. This is the Tint 2 GUI that you can configure the Tint 2. You will need a lot of customization skills for the Tint 2, but Eric has it all set up to where if you don't want to thanks, sounds good. Thanks for doing this one. I am back in the car, so better pay attention to the road. Okay, Linux Quest, yeah. Pay attention to the road. No texting while driving. Okay. Now let's so yeah, he's got a basic Tint 2 configuration all set up and a bunch more here. Let's click on some. So if you click on it and check mark it, it'll load up. So let's just wait for it to load up, and it'll load up. So let's hit hi, the Farron OS developer. So let's hit apply, and nothing happened right now. Let's try it again. Okay, nothing seems to be happening right now for that, so let's you might have to yeah, that's what the Tint 2 GUI actually there was a problem with it, so I'll have to tell Eric to see if he can fix something up so it works right. So that's one of the issues I noticed in when I installed Tint 2 GUI for the Cinnamon desktop I was on, when I was talking to a good guy that customized everything for Tint 2. So you actually have to manually do it now, so I'll show that in a later video. Farron OS developer, battery low. It thinks you have a battery. TJ, well, Farron OS should be fixed once updated fully. Okay, Farron, thanks a lot. Let me know when let me know when you got the OS updated, and I will show it live. Can't wait for it. I'm excited. What about the what about the kernel? Are you able to do something about the kernel and update to so you can have it on the 4.12 kernel? Because I need the at least the 4.12 kernel so I can get my NVIDIA card working. But I will have to get back to you on that, Farron, because I'll have to check Linux Mint and see if it works in there, because I know Linux Mint runs the same kernel as you do. Well, there was an issue with the kernel for me with my NVIDIA card. I'm pretty sure I need at least 412 for my 10 series card. Hi Fidel, how's it going? Thank you for joining the stream. Yeah, I'm doing Openbox, everybody, and today this video is going to be actually a quick video. Sorry for mentioning that in the beginning, but I have to be somewhere in about 20 minutes, so this is going to be a quick and short video. So I'm going to try and do this video fast. Sorry if I'm rushing a little bit. In good news, 9x the FerrinOS dev project has been officially started and is project to part Neo themes to Cinnamon on Mint. Awesome! I can't wait to look at that, Farron. That's great. So, yeah, so this is Openbox. I'll get back to you, Farron, about the kernel situation. I'll let you know if Linux Mint works well, and let you know. Because I know I had a problem when I tried to update it on your OS, Farron. It was, I got the, but I'm not sure exactly. It might have been something because I was multi-booting distros, because that happened to me on Manjaro Arch when I tried, and I had to go to their grub screen, so it could be different things. I'm gonna try it beside this ArchMerge, so I'm gonna try it and let you know. Well, I'm gonna try Linux Mint and let you know if the kernels work, and then I'll erase Linux Mint and try yours again with the kernel situation. But I will wait for you to update. I'll wait for you to update that maximize and minimize issue. So let me know, because I want to get to that. So right now, I'm just taking a look at ArchMerge, Eric's OS, everybody. And I was trying to get the GUI tint to, apparently the GUI in here doesn't work for some reason. So you'll probably have to manually do it if you know how. I'll let Eric know, because it's not. Let me try a different one and see what happens. Apply. Yeah, it's not going to. The top one. Let's see, cancel. So Let's not sure why it's not changing. Oh wait, TJ Wolf, as in get the latest ISO, then update everything, then install. That's what I did. That's what I did before, Farron, and I had problems. Did you update it? Hi Ben. How's it going? I'm just showing ArchMerge Openbox from Eric. Currently in beta testing. I'm a beta tester for him, and I'm testing it and making sure everything works well. Right now, Ben, this is the Openbox. On my last stream, I did the XFCE edition. Eric has 3 desktops. XFCE, which I showed. This is the Openbox, and he has i3 in it, and it's all customized already and everything. So, but if you want to do your own customization, you can too, but for new users, he's got it all set up perfect and ready to go for you, and which is awesome. But this Tint 2 GUI seems to have problems now. I'm not sure why that is, so I'll have to let Eric know, and maybe he can work out the code or something, because it's not changing. Because if you see, if I hit on this theme right here, it doesn't seem to change. Yeah, it doesn't seem to go up to this top one. It should be changing this one right here. And I'm not sure why that's not changing. So I'll have to ask if Eric is in here or sees this, let me know. I'll post something to him on this, but let's move on, because I'm trying to rush everybody and do this, so sorry, I apologize ahead of time. I have to leave at 12:20, so I'm trying to do this stream as fast as I can and show everything for you guys. So let's take a look. You got your pen. I showed you guys that you got your Tint 2 panel at the top, and that he has Kunky already installed. I put this Kunky on. It was from the XFC stream that I did. So here's the site, everybody. That it's currently 9 days to release date of ArchMerge 6.0. This is currently the version 5.52. I have to check to see if he upgraded it at all, but once it gets to ArchMerge 6.0, this will be released. And I'm not sure if there's going to be a delay on it or not, because I know there's some issues, minor issues, in some of the programming stuff and apps, so I'm not sure exactly. Oh wow, Ben, the Gentoo man is here. That's a brave man right there, Ben. Running Gentoo. So, okay, so I got a special thing to show you. Let's add let's add a let's add a video. Hi everybody and welcome. I'm here. So I'm just gonna show you real quick the Corsair site. A lot of stuff I do a lot of hardware stuff too, so here's one of the sites that I get most of my stuff from is Corsair, and I just ordered new fans right here. Here they are right here. I just ordered them and I'm gonna put them in tonight. And I'll go show you the fans and everything that I'll show you. I got them on Amazon. Right here. They're this one right here. They cost around $89 here. I think I got them on Amazon for around, they were around $74, I think it was, on Amazon. I don't know with tax, maybe, I think it was like, yeah, $74 on Amazon. And so these are one of the sites that I order stuff from for my computer. These are the fans I just got, which are right here. If you can see them, they're RGB fans right here and stuff. And you can see all the here's the fan controller right here that you hook it up to. Actually, this is the fan controller right here, and then you hook it up. This is the power that you plug the fans into. And then my case has a fan controller built into it, so I'm just gonna plug it into my case and use this thing too. Or if you have you can plug it in directly to your power supply, but you will need adapters for it, so you'll have to buy those separate. You can get those at Amazon or probably any local computer store maybe sells them, but Amazon's probably your best bet. Or the company itself, Corsair, might send you some. I know on my old Antec case I had, they sent me a few, because they said they actually stopped putting them in there, and they actually sent me them for free. So yeah, another good computer thing. Oh yeah, let me show you guys my water cooler I'm currently running. Right here, I am running this one right here. This is the water cooler I currently run. But I'm looking to switch because it makes a really loud, I don't know, it just, every one of these ones I got, the fans make a rattling noise and it's loud, and I don't know if it's supposed to be loud or how quiet it's supposed to be, but I'm pretty much a nitpick and I like it very quiet, so maybe it's just me and it just runs at that loud speed, but I'm not sure exactly how quiet it's supposed to be. But I'm thinking about switching to NZXT. They're good. I've seen one guy on YouTube show NZXT stuff, and I'm looking to buy this new cooler right here. So I've heard they're awesome. The only downside is a lot of this stuff, RGB stuff, does not work. Some of it doesn't work in Linux, but if you set it, it should actually keep the settings if you're in Linux. So I know my Corsair keyboard does keep its RGB settings, and yeah, this one is around $159. Let's just say $160 just to round it off. So yeah, it's a little more expensive than Corsair, but I've heard a lot of good things on these NXCT stuff, so I might try this one out. So yeah, that's NXT has really good stuff for cooling. I don't know about their cases. I haven't tried any of their cases. I'll show you the case that I'm currently running right now. Let's go to cases at Corsair. Mine's from Corsair, and I currently run this case right here. This is the desktop case that I run. This is the fan controller I was running about with the speeds and that, which I like. This is the one I run. And so I haven't really, I don't really have the money right now to afford a lot of stuff, so that's why I'm on a tight budget right now. I currently don't have a job, so once I get one, I'll be able to afford a lot more stuff. So let's go. I am though looking to buy this keyboard from Logitech. I know they're usually compatible with Linux, but I don't know if this one is. So this one I'm planning on getting. It's $139.99 because I actually have an RGB one from Corsair, and the thing I like about this keyboard is you can put your phone on it, and you can do the statistics of your hardware while you're playing a game and stuff. I guess a Logitech is probably number one. They're saying for gaming hardware stuff for this keyboard. So these types of keyboards. So yeah, you can see the you can put your phone on the keyboard, and I'm assuming you need to download an app called 5 More Minutes. Lola, I am just messing. Don't want you to be late. Yeah, Fidel, thanks for that. But yeah, this is pretty cool right here. You can see your CPU temps, and I'm assuming, and vital system statistics and in-game control. You can probably see. I'm not sure if you can see your FPS on this, but I'm looking forward to seeing what this keyboard can actually do. So I'll probably show a video once I get this keyboard. It's actually cheaper. It's actually cheaper on Amazon, so I'm probably gonna order this on Amazon. Or actually, it's the same price, $139. It's actually I think it's in the 120s on Amazon, but it comes up to $139 after tax on Amazon. So yeah, so let's get to Cooler Master. Here's another great hardware site. But I don't really use Cooler Master too much. I find them, the last case I got from them was a little bit cheap-sided on me. I'm not sure if that was just a type of case. Probably just a type of case I got because I paid only $50 for it. So that might have been why. I guess the lowest amount of price you get, you're gonna get the cheaper the case is gonna be. So yeah, the other place I like to look at is Thermaltake. Is another great hardware place for you to get hardware. And I just want to announce, if you guys are running Windows, be warned that the CC cleaner is hacked, and I'll post these in the chat window for you guys, so you guys can take a look at this stuff. They have a video too. On it, so you guys can take a look at that. CC Cleaner was hacked, and I thought it was a great program. Actually, it's a great program for registry. I'm not sure how they got hacked, but if you guys are using this, uninstall it, and make sure you guys have malware bits on your computer. Make sure you guys didn't get hacked yourself. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Everything I talked about. I have to run now. Yeah, Farron, but the people that run Windows, I run Windows for higher games too. So I need a program like CC Cleaner because it's really good on the registry, but there's actually another good name, Fidel Arnold. I'll share those links, if you will. But I have to run now. Hopefully you guys like this stream. I will be on more. I will be on a lot more often now, streaming and stuff. CC Cleaner, not known as C4 Cleaner. No offense intended. Yeah, fair, because that fact it infects the PC. I didn't get that joke, Farron. You'll have to tell me what that means in Hangouts. I didn't get that. But I have to run, guys, for real now. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you all for joining my stream. Be sure to keep updated on Eric's OS. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time, everybody, and bye now.